will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more here, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. So when you just keep going down here, click on settings, click on it here. When just click on settings, come to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on privacy, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So you just waiting to open with you here. So it's going to take a time to open with me here because I start screen. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you come here to other, sorry, you keep going down, come here to other settings, come here to who can see my inventory here, and here you click. So then here can you select in this list on your app or Roblox app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.